Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're working on this 2010 Mazda 3. Today we'll be replacing the motor mount that's located over there on the passenger side. Let's go look at that now. Okay, so if you look over here, it's right there, you can see signs of it leaking. It's a hydraulic motor mount, so if it ever leaks, it's bad. But if you look really close, whenever I take it out, I'll show you. You can actually see a bunch of fractures in it too, so it's time to replace that. Okay, so first thing you want to do is take off this overfill tank. You got one there and one right back there. Okay, so all you want to do is just lift up. There we go. Now we'll just put it over here to the side somewhere. Okay, so if we look here, we have two bolts, one and then two. We have these two nuts connecting it to the engine. After that, we'll be able to take it out. These cars sit low to the ground in the front, but we can get a low profile jack and a piece of wood underneath to support the engine. Okay, so all four will be 17 millimeter. You want to support the engine before you take these off. As you can see, it dropped down a little bit. I'm gonna jack it back up. Okay, now we'll go ahead and take them all the way out. Okay, now we can just take this right off. Yeah. Okay, so if you look here, it's just completely wore out. It's not even connected anymore. So this definitely needed to be changed. Okay, so here's our replacement part. As you can see, it's not separated. I can't even move it. It has no tears or rips. So this is good to go. Let's put it back in. Okay, so we're just going to snake it right back through. Go ahead and get it over these bolts. Now we're going to go ahead and get these nuts started. We're not going to tighten them down just yet. We're going to get the bolts started next. And the engine's got to come forward, so just kind of manipulate it like you need it. There we go. Got one started. Okay, to get this a little straighter, we're just going to run these down in a little bit. Jack up the engine. Now then, we're more straight for this bolt to go in. There we go, got it started. We're just going to run them down. Okay, so the last thing we gotta do is torque it to spec. These are 56 to 76 foot-pounds, and then these are 53 to 68 foot-pounds. Okay, so you want to put your coolant reservoir right back where it was. It should slide right back in. Make sure you align it so that one's aligned. And then there we go. Okay, so at this point, go ahead and lower the jack. Pull it out. And that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.